Hey YouTube, it's me, Cheeto Killer. You guys are the Cheeto Killers. Now today, I'm going to be doing a serious, well thought out video, okay? It's been my lifelong dream to become a food critic. Now, I bet you guys wondering, Cheeto, what the fuck do you mean, food critic? Well, I mean food critic. I will be reviewing food and drinks from now on. And, today is my first episode, so get ready for this, guys. You're not ready, okay? You're not ready. I'm doing bottled water versus refrigerator water. So let's go get it. So I didn't try to check to see if there was any water in my fridge. So what the fuck are you looking at? Anyways, guys, get some water. Oh, there's water right there. Okay, that's good. It's gonna be kind of warm though. But here we go. Okay, guys, I got the refrigerator water and I got the bottled water. So, first, I'm just gonna give a little synopsis or a description of the water bottles and the water cups. So, guys, make sure to comment what your favorite type of water is. I know mine. It's pussy water. But anyway, you guys, so this bottled water, it says it's Kroger brand purified drinking water. It is 16.9 fluid ounces and 500 milliliters. Now, this is a thing that catches me off guard. See, it says it's purified drinking water. Does that mean that only this water can be drank? I don't know. Does that mean I can't drink this water since it's not purified drinking water? I'm genuinely curious, because if I'm gonna if I'm gonna die, if this is not drinking water, then I can't drink it. So if I drink this, will I get bad side effects? Anyways, I don't know. Try. Another good food reviewer is Review Brawl, also known as Report of the Week. Report of the Week, yes. Now, I'm getting off topic. Sorry. Now this refrigerator water. I haven't had water from this refrigerator in like years, okay? Now, it does not smell weird. They both feel like they're the same temperature. Of course, this is more water, but I will show you the ice that it has come from. Now, this refrigerator, it is a Frigidaire. I don't know what that is. It must be the company. But you can see the ice. It's in. Oh, looks like some pretty good ice, ladies and gentlemen. Like, I would eat this ice. Now, that is ice. It's pretty good. Now, let's get back to the water review. Now, the water I'm choosing to do first is this bottled water, because this bottled water means a lot to me, and I am also saving the best for last, or the most mysterious for last, ladies and gentlemen. So, oh my fuck, this fucking, shit, I fucking spilled the water. It's fucking wet. Oh shit. Fuck. Now this water, this doesn't smell bad, doesn't smell good. It's water, it doesn't taste like anything. But the water is that it tastes like, so actually it tastes like something is nothing. So here we go. You know, it's not that bad. Like, for purified drinking water, I can drink this. And it also gives me more confidence that if this can be purified drinking water, this can too. Oh, sorry, guys, I'm a burp boy. Holy shit. Oh, man. This is water making me pretty hot.
Where do you think you're going? I have trapped you in this garage to live out your days in pain and sorrow for all the pain you've caused me.
What? Louis Pablo? No. No, it can't. It can't be.
Yes, it is I, Louis Pablo. You dog. I knew you were going to drink that water. So I put roofies in it. And you drank it up all in one go without even taking a break. You dumb fool.
What are you gonna do to me? You're gonna torture me? Is that your plan? Is that your plan, you evil fool?
Stop right there, my stupid owner. You do not know the power I possess over you. If anything wrong happens, you cannot blame it on me this time.
What? No! Holy shit! You know, it's not that bad. Like, I'll give it like a, I don't know, 6.5 out of 10 or something like that. Like, it's not that good. It's just refrigerator water, but well, back to killing myself.